Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone guys system navigation full setting. Friends you want to use your navigation settings, so how to use system navigation setting and how to set up navigation setting on oppo phone device. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo phone. So when scroll it, friends click on oppo phone guys tool setting. After on tool setting friends, you can see navigation setting here. Click here. So friends, first I will show you guys swipe gesture from both sides guys. We will set guys first swipe gesture from both sides setting. So friends, you want to back, so when how to back, so when right side friends, when you will swipe you can back, and guys left side you can back. Right side, left side swipe, and guys right side you can use back button. Friends, recently app you want to close, so guys swipe here and you can close it. Example friends, you own YouTube app and friends now you want to close, so how to close, because friends we don't have any button navigation, so we swipe here like that and you can close it. So as back button you can use from your right side swipe, and friends you can back from your left side recently close app. And friends you have your gesture setting, and friends you want to set your three button navigation. So friend, how to set, so when again click on tool setting, friends click on navigation setting. Friends you can see button navigation guys, we will set. Friends you can see now we can use button navigation, back button, home button and close app button. And friends one more thing, friends you can see back button is here. Friends you want to change into left side, so you can change your button layout style also. Friends click on phone setting. After phone setting friends, again click on tool setting, and friends click on navigation. Friends button layout style you want to change, so then you can change. So friends you want to back from your left side, so when you can back from left side on your device, and right side friends you can close app. Friends you can see right side we can close app. So like that friends you can set up your navigation setting. First guys gesture setting, and second three button navigation. And friends you want to set your default style, default layout. So friends click on navigation, and friends we will select. Friends now we can use back button from right side. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use navigation setting on oppo phone device. So bye guys.